Welcome to Health Haven, where we bring you the best in natural health insights. Today, we're exploring an exciting topic, boosting your testosterone levels naturally with powerful herbs. Whether you're looking to enhance muscle strength, increase energy levels, or improve your overall well-being, these herbs might just be the natural solution you need. Why boost testosterone? Testosterone is not just any hormone. It's essential for men's health, impacting everything from bone density and muscle mass to libido and mood. However, many men experience a decline in testosterone levels due to age, stress, or health issues. That's where nature comes into play. Certain herbs have been shown to effectively boost testosterone, and today we're going to delve into each one of them. Top herbs for testosterone enhancement. Starting with ashwagandha, a revered herb in Ayurvedic medicine. It's known for its incredible ability to reduce stress and balance hormone levels. Studies suggest that ashwagandha can increase testosterone levels by up to 15%. It's a herb that not only boosts hormone production but also enhances vitality. Next, we have ginger, familiar yet powerful. Apart from its culinary delights, ginger is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant agent. Research indicates it boosts in testosterone levels by up to 17% with regular intake, making it a simple yet effective option for your daily diet. Tribulus terrestris has long been used in traditional Chinese and Indian medicine. Known for its libido-enhancing properties, this herb can increase testosterone levels by about 16%. It's particularly favored for its dual benefits on energy and sexual health. From the highlands of Peru comes the maca root, known for its earthy flavor and health benefits. Maca is a cruciferous vegetable believed to boost testosterone levels by up to 20%. It's ideal for those looking to enhance their endurance and hormonal health. Fenugreek, rich in saponins, is next on our list. These compounds are believed to increase testosterone levels significantly, with an increase of up to 25%. Fenugreek is also beneficial for blood sugar regulation, adding to its list of health benefits. Known for its catchy name, horny goat weed is a traditional Chinese herb used to treat low libido and enhance sexual health. Studies show an impressive increase in testosterone levels by up to 30%. Nettle root does more than just sting. It can block testosterone from binding with sex hormone-binding globulin, increasing the availability of free testosterone in your body. A renowned herb in Southeast Asian, Tongkat Ali can remarkably raise testosterone levels by up to 37%. It's praised for its effects on male vitality and endurance. Traditionally used for prostate health, saw palmetto also benefits testosterone levels, potentially increasing them by up to 40%. Ginseng, a staple in Asian herbal medicine, is known for its ability to improve overall vitality and increase testosterone levels by up to 45%. Pine bark extract, rich in antioxidants, supports blood flow and testosterone levels, enhancing them by as much as 50%. From Brazil, Muirapalma, used to treat sexual dysfunction, can boost testosterone by up to 60%. This traditional Chinese herb can enhance testosterone by up to 75%, promoting vitality and health. Primarily used for cardiovascular health, hawthorn berry can also uplift testosterone levels by up to 80%. Popular in South America, Dimiana is noted for its testosterone boosting and sexual enhancement properties, increasing levels by up to 90%. Native to India, this herb can significantly boost testosterone with studies showing increases of up to 95%. Both rich in antioxidants, these herbs improve circulation and can subtly boost testosterone levels, offering a holistic approach to hormone health. Now, black sea oil is a powerhouse of antioxidants that can enhance blood flow and testosterone levels, rounding out our comprehensive list. Imagine starting your day with a burst of energy and a delicious smoothie that helps you shed pounds effortlessly. That's what the 21-day rapid weight loss smoothie diet offers you. In just 3 weeks, users have transformed, feeling lighter, healthier, and brimming with confidence. Dive into the smoothie lifestyle and discover our selection of tailor-made products. Check out the link in the description to begin your transformation journey today. As you venture into the world of natural testosterone boosters, it's important to understand the synergy between these herbs and your overall health practices. In this continuation, we delve deeper into how to maximize the effectiveness of these testosterone-boosting herbs through lifestyle changes and dietary adjustments, providing you with a holistic approach to improving your hormonal health. While incorporating herbs like ashwagandha ginger into your regimen can substantially impact testosterone levels, their efficacy can be amplified when paired with a nutritious diet. Here are key dietary tips to consider. Protein-rich foods. Consuming adequate protein is crucial for testosterone production. Foods such as lean meats, eggs, and legumes not only support muscle growth but also aid in hormone regulation. Incorporating these into your meals ensures that the body has the necessary building blocks for testosterone. Healthy fats. Contrary to popular belief, healthy fats are essential for hormonal health. Avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish like salmon provide omega-3 fatty acids, which are vital for maintaining optimal testosterone levels. These fats help in the absorption of vitamins and minerals that are critical for hormonal balance. Reduce sugar intake. High levels of sugar in the diet can lead to insulin spikes and weight gain, which negatively affect testosterone levels. Reducing sugar and opting for complex carbohydrates like whole grains can stabilize blood sugar and support hormone levels. Vitamin and mineral-rich foods. Certain vitamins and minerals, specifically zinc, vitamin D, and magnesium, play pivotal roles in testosterone production. Oysters, pumpkin seeds, and spinach are excellent sources of these nutrients and can naturally complement the effects of testosterone-boosting herbs. Lifestyle modifications for hormonal balance. In addition to diet, your lifestyle choices can significantly influence testosterone levels. Here's how you can create an environment in your body that nurtures hormone health. Regular exercise, physical activity, especially strength training and high-intensity interval training, has been proven to boost testosterone levels. Incorporating regular exercise into your routine not only helps in managing weight but also stimulates testosterone production. Adequate sleep. Sleep is perhaps as important as diet and exercise. Lack of sleep can severely impact hormone production, including testosterone. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night to ensure your body has time to regenerate and balance hormone levels. Stress management. Chronic stress leads to elevated levels of cortisol, which adversely affects testosterone. Practices like meditation, yoga, and mindfulness can reduce stress and promote a more balanced hormonal state. Avoiding endocrine disruptors. Certain chemicals found in plastics, personal care products, and even in the environment can disrupt hormonal balance. Reducing exposure to these endocrine disruptors by choosing BPA-free products and natural personal care items can help maintain healthier testosterone levels. Combining herbs for enhanced effects. While individual herbs offer significant benefits, combining them can create synergistic effects for even better results. Here's how you can mix these herbs effectively. Ashwagandha and ginger. These two can be taken together to not only boost testosterone but also reduce inflammation and improve overall vitality. Tripulus terrestris and maca root. Its combination can enhance libido and testosterone, making it a powerful duo for improving sexual health and energy. Ginseng and fenugreek. Both herbs are known for their energy-boosting and testosterone-enhancing properties. Together, they can also improve metabolic health and physical performance. Continuing our journey into enhancing testosterone levels naturally, let's explore additional aspects of a holistic lifestyle that support hormonal balance and overall health. Understanding the broader implications of each action can help you make informed decisions that contribute to your wellness. Deeper dive into herbal benefits. While we discuss various herbs and their direct impact on testosterone levels, it's beneficial to understand other health advantages these herbs offer. This broad perspective can help you appreciate not just the hormonal benefits, but also the overall wellness improvements. Antioxidant properties. Many of the herbs like green tea, hibiscus, and pine bark extract are rich in antioxidants. These substances combat oxidative stress in the body, which can damage cells and contribute to chronic diseases. By incorporating these herbs, you're not only supporting testosterone levels, but also enhancing your body's ability to fight off potential ailments. Mental health improvements. Herbs like ashwagandha and ginseng are renowned for their stress-reducing effects. These herbs help in managing cortisol levels, which is crucial not just for hormonal balance but also for mental health. Reducing stress and anxiety supports a positive mood and overall mental well-being. Cardiovascular health. Herbs such as hawthornberry and damiana have properties that benefit heart health. These herbs help in improving blood circulation and reducing blood pressure, which are vital for both cardiovascular health and erectile function, further enhancing the benefits of increased testosterone levels. Incorporating herbs into your daily routine. Knowing about the herbs is one thing, but incorporating them effectively into your daily life is key to reaping their benefits. Here's how you can integrate these powerful natural remedies into your routine. Herbal teas, easy and enjoyable to consume. Herbal teas like ginger, green tea, and hibiscus can be a pleasant part of your daily habits. Regular consumption of these teas not only boosts your testosterone levels, but also keeps you hydrated and provides a moment to relax. Supplements for herbs like tongkat ali or ashwagandha. Supplements may be a more practical approach, especially if they aren't readily available in fresh or dried forms. Ensure you opt for high-quality, reputable brands to get the best effects. Cooking. Incorporate herbs like ginger and fenugreek into your meals. Not only do they enhance flavor, but they also contribute to your hormonal health as part of a balanced diet. Topical applications. Some herbs can be used in creams or oils for topical application. For instance, ginseng can be found in various skincare products which may enhance skin health along with its systemic benefits. Adopting these natural methods requires a long-term commitment to see significant changes. It's not just about temporary fixes, but about integrating these practices into your lifestyle permanently. Regular monitoring. Keep track of your progress. Consider getting your testosterone levels checked regularly to monitor the effectiveness of your approach and make adjustments as needed. Patience and consistency. Natural remedies work gradually. Consistent use combined with lifestyle and dietary changes will yield the best results over time. Holistic health view. Always consider your health in a holistic manner, mental, physical, and emotional. Testosterone boosting is just one aspect of your overall well-being. Building a community or joining groups that focus on natural health and testosterone enhancement can provide support and additional tips. Sharing experiences and learning from others can be incredibly motivating. Online forums and groups, platforms like Reddit, Facebook, and specific health forums can be valuable resources where people share their journeys, struggles, and successes. Health workshops and seminars. Attend workshops or seminars that focus on natural health solutions. These can provide new insights and direct access to experts in the field. Consult with a naturopath for personalized advice. Consider consulting with a naturopath who specializes in herbal medicine and hormonal health. They can tailor recommendations specifically for your needs. As we wrap up, remember that boosting testosterone naturally is a journey that encompasses more than just taking herbs. It involves an entire lifestyle overhaul that prioritizes your health and hormonal balance. Every step you take, from adjusting your diet to integrating exercise and managing stress, contributes to a better you. Thank you once again for joining us at Health Haven. If you appreciate our deep dive into natural health practices, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for notifications on our latest videos. Share this video with others who might benefit from natural health strategies, and join us next time for more empowering health content. Your path to better health starts here, and we're excited to be a part of your journey. Stay healthy, stay informed, and take proactive steps towards a vibrant life.